Hello guys, you're welcome once to NATH, and if you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so we are going to look at another exciting problem today on mathematics, and the question reads, we should evaluate xy, that's x multiply y plus what? We have half, okay, multiply a square and multiply y. So we are given that when x is minus 20 and y is what? 3 and a is 4. So how do we go about solving this problem? Now this problem is a simple problem on substitution. So I want to simply substitute the values of x, y, and z into this expression. So in place of x, I'm going to write minus 20. Okay, let's write the expression. The given expression is x multiply y plus what? Half multiply a square multiplied by what? Y. So the dots here represents what? Multiplication. Alright, in maths you can use dots for multiplication. So our x is minus 20. Now in place of this I'm going to put minus what? 20. So this is going to multiply what? Y. Y is what? 3. This will multiply what? 3. Okay, so we have plus, and this is half, multiply. Our a square is 4, so we have what? 4 what square. And these will multiply y. Y is also 3. Alright? So this is called substitution. We'll be able to input the values of x, y, and a into what? This expression. So this is our x, this is our y, this is our a, and this is our y. Alright, now we can simplify this further. So we have minus 20 times 3, so that will give us minus what? 60. So we have plus, and this is half. So half is going to multiply. Now 4 square means 4 times 4, which is 16. Divided by 1. So times, we have 3 over 1. So now we have this expression. Now with this expression, we can now solve further. Now, at this part, we can see that some things can cancel. So 2 can cancel this. So 2 cancel this is 1. 2 cancel this is 8. So we have this as minus 60 plus, we have 8 times 3, or 1 times 8 is 8. Okay, and times what? 3. Alright, so if we follow the basic rule of mathematics, we want to work on the multiplication before we work on what? Either addition or subtraction. So all we want to do is we want to multiply 8 times 3, and that is going to give us what? 24. So I have minus 6 plus what is 24. So we have minus 60 plus what? 24. So minus 6 plus 24, what would that give us? Because that will give us the final answer to this simple problem. So all we need to do is I'm going to pick this sign since 60 is the greater number. So we are picking minus, so we have minus. Okay. Now since these two signs are not the same, we are going to subtract this. So we have 60 minus what? 24. Alright. So let's see what that gives us. So we have minus here. Now we are going to work on 60 minus what? 24 to see what we're going to get. Alright, so the first thing is, okay, 0 minus 4, it cannot, so I want to decompose it. So this is 5 and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 4 is going to be 6, and 5 minus 2 is going to be 3. So we have minus 36 as the simple solution to this problem after substituting the value for x, y, and a. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students out there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, bye.